people in the audience felt that the information that he was bringing about the effeminization of the black man was still warranted, even if it came from a former employee of the Homeland Security. What he did, hold on.
Let him finish.
What he did,
What you gonna say?
and then what he did is he showed examples of the possible
One at a time.
infiltration of promosexuality
When
into the conscious community. So
Number one
he
question,
showed,
watch
hold on.
this.
So he showed some of the elders that were in the community who are doing stuff with homosexuals, and he was questioning what is the reason behind these people doing business with those people. That's it. Let me just say that. Look, because they're the LBGT community, right? And we're the conscious community, correct? There's guys and there's guidelines to every community. We represent pro-life. We represent something totally. We represent polite. You feel me? We represent the black family. There's a criteria to this, and in that community, they represent something else. It would be, as scientific people, anti-life. It would be the antithesis to what we represent. So communities don't come together. We're building our own community. So all he was saying is, if they're doing business with them, these are our elders, but they're not beyond reproach and they're not beyond being questioned, because sometimes, like you've been saying, the elders can slip sometimes. Sometimes that can happen. Even the young masters can slip. All he did was just pose the question.
No doubt.
So people still felt like, you're not attacking them. He didn't bash them. He didn't drag them under the bus. He didn't, he didn't do some of the things some of these others
to get you to clarify.
ForbesDVD.com.
But when you talk about he worked for Homeland Security,
yes,
I'm sure he wasn't sitting there with Rumsfeld, Bush, and all them motherfuckers.
You know what it is?
Well, I mean, we gotta say, okay, what did you? Because you got police officers that come to your lectures, right? You got Ali Muhammad got a police officer that run one of his classes.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So law enforcement is law enforcement. You don't know what his position at Homeland Security was.
And he's from DC, where the majority of the brothers that they all work in government are federal. That's like how New York dudes do construction.
This is the question. Somebody said here what he was teaching was justified in regards of his past occupation.
That's what they say.
You know how the conscious community feels about the persuasion of the government, especially if somebody who's working for Homeland Security. But I understand.
Yes,
I'm not knocking him. If he come with truth, he come with truth. Now the next question is this: if a homosexual has something to teach us, would the information be warranted if we know that person's a homosexual? Naeem Akbar? Who's that?
We don't know that, man. Everybody is saying that.
Khalid pointed that out years ago.
Nah, man, Khalid never said that.
From the mosque?
I remember.
Khalid Muhammad never said that, brother.
No, that's not true. You wasn't there. I was there.
Huh?
He said he's gay.
Well, GD is pointing out all the homos right now.
No, but I'm talking about where's the proof at with it?
But y'all got a problem with Maya Angelou marrying a white man?
Why you think he ain't in the
Y'all sit up here. I mean, y'all Negroes sit here.
All right, but
Maya
check this out.
Angelou, she married a white man.
Hold on, check this out. Hold on for a minute. Check this out. You said Dr. Naeem Akbar is a faggot, right?
I didn't say that.
Right? A homosexual. Let's look at his information in his book. Are we gonna say, oh no, I don't want his book because he's a homosexual? If you look at his book is powerful, man. All his books.
So it's safe to get information from homos then. That's what we said.
It was put
Well,
out.
if it is, then it's a space for them. I'm asking because there might be a space for them in the community.
So you mean to tell me this?
It ain't me saying this.
So if you read a book that was wild deep, and you don't know the sexual preference of the author, and then you find that out later on down the line, does that discredit the information that you accepted when you read it?
No,
Good question.
I'm asking that question.
That's what I'm asking.
I'm just saying, so therefore,
Oh, this is my question now. You said that the homosexual community has their criteria, the conscious community has their criteria. So now what I ask is, what if a homosexual is educating people, and you know the information is some bomb-ass information? Unfortunately, straight people didn't knock you down like that, no homo. I shouldn't even use that terminology. But straight people didn't deliver the information, or they didn't get to you in that capacity, but this homosexual has dropped some significant information that you could use for your personal development in regards of their sexual preference. can you be taught by a homosexual? And would you allow yourself to read information outside of their preference?
This is
the question. Before y'all make me a homosexual. So now what I'm asking is this. Is there a place for homosexuals in the conscious community if they can give you conscious information?
I got what Polite's saying.
I'm asking. I don't know.
See, nobody answering that question.
Is there a place for homos in the conscious community? Is there a place for homos?
You don't have to endorse the lifestyle, but you can accept the information.
Let him answer.
You don't have to endorse the lifestyle,
yes or no?
but you can accept the information based on what you're saying.
So is there a place for homosexuals in the conscious community?
I say truth is truth, cuz. No matter who's back there.
You still gotta say yes or no, though. You still gotta say yes or no.
I want Red Pill to say
You gotta say yes or no.
Red Pill say there's a place.
So when you say is there a place for homosexuality, meaning men having sex with men,
I ain't say that. Is there a place for homosexuals to teach and thrive in the conscious community?
No, I would say this.
I say no.
You have the LBGT community. Hold on.
I say no.
There's two communities.
They scared.
I say no. I say no.
I say hell no.
I say no too.
I'm saying no on the record. All right? I want to make sure you get that.
I say no too.
I say no as well. They have their own. Hold on. They have their own community.
Took us a while.
So they'll be able to teach them.
What do I say? Homosexuality is a race now, my brother. You need to know that.
It's a
Man,
community.
you got that from me. Get out of here.
Hold on. I'm gonna say like Dr. Ray always
And they got
said,
money.
eat the fish, spit out the bones. If somebody
That's
comes
what it
with the
is.
right information, that's a
You take the information. That's
If you open up,
That's all I'm saying.
that's what I'm saying. If you
I
open
want
up
to say
a
yes or
book,
no.
if you open up a book, does the book close on you because it sees that you're a black man? Like you can't read me. Does a book like close up? Books open up and reveal themselves to you when you go and search for the information. Anytime
Is it a
you
white
go,
book or a black
it doesn't matter
One at a
about
time,
what
one at a
color the
time.
book is, because you're never aware of if it's a white or black book when you open them up. If you come across information,
I had
you
a
just-
white book through some KKK shit to
No, I'm just saying, if you read a book,
and he's supposed to be a homo.
Good point.
exactly.
Good point.
James version of the
Hey,
Bible.
King James was a black man.
Yeah, he's a homo.
Corinthians 2.
King James was a black man.
Buried with his
Yeah,
true
but
love.
he was a homosexual.
Buried with his true love.
He still was a homosexual
I'm
black man.
Lato, brother.
Black made it right, brother.
So all I'm saying is, knowledge and information is colorblind.
I
You
don't
dig what I'm
like that.
saying?
No, but I still think y'all gotta give a definitive answer to yes or no. He said no. He said no. I say no. You didn't say no a little bit. You gotta say it's like a yes or no
Is there a place
thing.
for homosexuals to teach in the conscious community? No. Not their sexuality, just teaching. All right.
You know what's funny?
See, that yes or no. That yes or no is
We talking
No.
no.
religiously conscious.
I can't fuck with it.
Red pill.
Religiously conscious, spiritually conscious, because there's levels to this shit. If we only did
now that's a trick.
I think we need to keep that. I think we need to keep that out of our community.
Yeah, it's only
I
right.
think we need to keep
In
it out of
our
our community.
we are taught by people from our community.
Right,
you have to
right,
abide
right.
by the frequency.
I'll let the homos teach
and
the homos
the
consciousness.
lifestyle of
So
the
let me pose a
community.
question.
Hold on. So what I'm saying is, you have the
Brother,
LBGT.
you're long-winded, man.
You're
Yeah.
not that long-winded.
Red, let me pose something to you, Red.
The LBGT community, they have people inside their community that's conscious.
Damn,
they
no.
teaching them, hold on. They teaching them their yoga, they teaching them history and everything. We have the conscious community where we got our people teaching us our stuff.
Yeah.
You dig what I'm saying? So that's the difference between the
We can't have the homos
We don't
teaching our
need
kids.
the-
Hell no.